ombehu ombobre say why na beka enum ne ho National Executive Committee and National Council, the chairperson of MPP, yes, 17 Matonsa from for an emergency meeting to take a decision on 1 or 2 matters, including Sa Taino. I don't know, decided say Munkoto 2nd September. Yawada. And I say Munyem Yamfama Bako and I said the decision of the National Executive Committee and the National Council is supreme. I don't know. Ever take precedence over every decision, electoral committee, an election committee, rules and regulations. We all wait to see and hear what will transpire. Kasa baby akoso ebi mo kasa especially say why will Asante desert its own Kodwala Nchemate asema amanfo pa ka ho asempa on social media or platforms. Is it the case? Say Asante desert no akokoto aba ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia MPs ne 100 dona ni chairman fondo dona. Is it that they don't see that Alan can break the 8 for them? Is it that they don't see or they were monetized in another breath? Sikatuano ne kele womo ana ema niema no ko pipi mu ho ana na oko 2007 omo to aba no isimfo man to ama Aliu Mahama na isimfo Aliu Mahama gire mu pa 3 northern regions nyina am koma Akufuado Sompa 1998 J Kufuor ni Kufuado tenemu wa ha Asante region anto ama J Kufuor but the whole northern region Central Christian Church led them Aliu Mahama led them in the north Oko western region Gladys Asma the late Oko Greater Accra Amele Tego Oni Odoi Sykes Bono even though na omo this year in the person of JH Mensah ho and so omo to ma J Kufuor and to do maybe the dynamics of elections ya na nye baby a ufri potty e do maybe so a baby a ufri omo to me you omo yem but me I know one thing say when it comes to Asante regional omo elections o 20 ase why would 98 Asantes go for Akufuado instead of J Kufuor? Why would 2007 the northern region desert their own Aliu Mahama? Asante region 2014 they gave Akufuado a big mark. Na lanka ho. So what is it with them? Is it that they are truthful? I remember Jerry John Rawlings said something in 2008. So Asantes are truthful. If you don't perform, they will punish you. If they don't see you can win, they will leave you behind. They believe, say, way and anemrazu, ya demand a beboa. And I say, Sika 70 Sikatria, and it's a chairman phobia nomine, and peniphobia, China, na. Oh, yes, I'm sabe. And I don't pay Mame Enko Ejusu Zongo. Dancing hope. I care heba. Many other poems to say. Bibi Awoko. And I'll pay why if I come. By it too.
Yo, Mechiaona, Machia, what Tifunina, na Yakase, Yamishra, Bibiara, Sabri, or dinner video at Sompa TV, any radio, na Uti and Sempa. Obama Munyamfo Omanhene Ede enama fidie so edeba na sabre de mesene se emra wate yenkan ike menyi ofidie no emfiri okoso na etie fi se de nsem papa na ebrel ene anopai Uti ike enkan na yese wate enumpem hu asem uti ike enkan na intimu asem ene yeka uti ike enkan na ekuro a eye enkuda eho asem ena yeka na anopai no enam se ye enkase ni intimu adwumanti na de ba kwa be pese be kasa fa ho arthritis no egu ahodo hwehwemu ekese wona ahodo ebro ha na de eye common pa no eye be se miensa ana enan na ene no meka ba ko ho asem ba ko a edi nkan ye friend rheumatoid arthritis rheumatoid arthritis ye kan rheumatoid arthritis a din a yeta e de friend na ebia rheumatism anase ebia sasabro oba kasemu na rheumatoid arthritis no efa kwan bebre na eyi ne ho adi woni padua no mu de kwan fa so yi ne ho adi no enhwemu eche se de edeba de frɛ no autoimmune disorder yɛka autoimmune disorder na de pa che ne se enipadua akwa na immune system na yankopon ayese emmo enipa no ho ban emfiri yarewa ahodo no no edu ba bia na saa system na kasa atwa no ho na kutie nipadua ni se nka sabio se nka wayi woni usojani na se bodyguard enama de nka ohwe ni se wo hwe afiri no woni se akon na se obi nipa bone ni bi ba won nkyɛn a onu mum be ebekun atia saa nipa bone ni na oba won nkyɛn no na autoimmune disorder no eba nipadua na kwa ni se nka be protect no na afi onu akasa kutia no ho enti de efre no inflammations pains ahodo de fra nipadua no na afi wo ho mantim se waposo wuntimu na etwetwon pa yi a wo ye ho hwe a enye yi enti eno na ye bo nka ye ena no pa se se wo saa yare bia nyankopon adom ike ebeboa ama afiri ho ekwen fa so eyi no ho adi mu se wanya saa de frɛ no rheumatoid arthritis no wo behia se ati pains pa ewo unipadua o joint ni bia o joint no ebetumi aye wo nsatea no joint no ebetumi aye wo abakon ho ebetumi aye wo abati ebetumi aye okotodwe ebetumi mpo aba osisi ebetumi aba wo nan a esi form no ti ba biara wote sa pain no ewo waposo no ebetimi abase na de friend rheumatoid arthritis ibi enwenya na epa ho so a apart from pain no etimi nso ebofra ho na ma afewu ti se as a fever bi as a wayemre etobi on ma wanya na adwen se wanya malaria fever wa treat a enko na ebia na ebetimi aye rheumatoid arthritis ibi etimi de fatigue wa ho sabi ebi se o nyare so won tiapo tambia se wo feel se ohunam no mu eye wo ya ebi wo krompa ma hunam no hyehye wankasa se de makobi yedi makobi asra wo onipadua no etimi ma osisi eye wo ya pa ema wa no pain na ye ka no broni beka se excruciating pain na wa otimu se ade no ano odi ankasa wa wo ye ho hwea enye yi eno na no pai ye wo hase ye hye unkran se utie yen wo sompa na wo hwe wo sompa TV so a nkran hye se ma de bro ne se kanwakoma to yem I care wo ho se unya de wani kire I care back na ni kai wo adjusu zongo junction a oba sa hawi se eye usisi se ye waposo se ye una baby na abu se ye usisi pa na ye ya obo ma na chika se mi ne ka se Omanhene na ne chika se twini se wim
so ya no pa na ehutu
chese oye no hwia wotrase a na waka ho ma ne bi wo ho no ma be se wachia ne fa ko difa okwa sebi neni hwe ha na ne pa ehwe baabi me selfie ma me papa a wutie me ebia wo a wutie me anopa nye wa na wo ha no I care de nyame adom enam adwuma pa yenti adanse kra na di nipa dodo na ebre ye ba nti ebia na wo no enye wa na wo ha bet wate yenka ene anopa ya mesrew nipa wonim no ewo mpotemu ewo edwom wasore jumam ahonim so wo sa hawi a mabobo so bia no bo modin se eka obedi adanse a chance obeka chance onfa na ni nche adweso zongo junction I care back clinic na omra emerge na yaresa ebia utie radio se wo he TV dia number no egu TV no so na se utie o radio so a mesre se cho number etu ho the hia denti cho number eyeden a ehu behia na wafre na do ani a che I care 0530 721 165
165
0530 721 165 and 0530 288 510 Omanhene ansana yebekɔ no yentimi enko wabra yenka entinimu yare eho asem selfie ebia sabre utie me to ase etwon pa stroke aka wato onan aye tin I can say ananse aye titriti ananse achew a woje ho ba bia enye me selfie ananse bia ode no ekuro na aba betu oh maame papa me nua wutie me busuani bi ekuro akana to abusuani nyɛ sɛ mo hu sɛ de ado ne de yesi ye kutwa anase ye gyan manu na no na ye wo adanse akɛseɛ pa krofo a ye nti omutwa print kite free Italy ne ma ahodo eba bɛhwɛ o ma yesi no nyame ado ya hwɛ o ma wi o ma sa ɛkɔ o machi aike ye kan na ye de ma dance ne sɛ yen no ya hyeda asuan de na akọ akiri pa eye ye nkrofo a ye team of researchers a ye dosuko ewo bidro hwehwemu pa eye nkrofo a ye wie Kwame Nkrumah suapon wo bidro hwehwemu esu eye ene ne hwehwemu mu ene won wa hyeda de won akọ ba bi ti se China amomon ko sua bidro mu ayare sapa eye ntino se de do kan na wan to de a sebi na ne na bibi na ya besi ntino bomodin se eye kuro a ode wani beche I care.
That's right.
Eno pa won so diabetes afwani che I care. High blood pressure. Eno tin ye de tea ya eda TV so fefefe ehiegu fefefe ni hwam so Omanhene. Prekese ene enu ahodo a di free China ne mmea ahodo bebre ne de aka bom aya enti no high blood pressure pa de no kroni ubehia bi ena afi so oba umoja no ukọ fiche entimi emfuro ye ma wuti pain so a eno so uhia bi immune system so ebe boost no ama anya ahoden a ebe prevent de eye autoimmune disorder ni nyina ama afro stomach ulcer na ono so ama wonsa wodi wani akire like bema prostate enlargement koko a friend hemorrhoid we na ye ha no bebre hu se enema bi asisi na anima wase koko na ese me pauchopi ye studies aya ne de bibia ne ho a friend koko a esi enipa anim koko e be finipa eto enti otonko a ebia uja una abu se moja na eba enti mesropi ebia uja na hu moja bebra na nso wode wani ache ake no ba me ye fro paroni bam ena me di etupo na masore the wonder bam sabre enkumbwa waso a ewo Ghana obia etu edi akire eye paroni na amanfo abodi said the wonder bam eno na obodin a woman bi ewo US Florida ye boss ye wotini di pa no asore agina ho evise nke kwakoye no operation ewo US woni say yes ye test yen obi onya 68 years ye hwe se de bi just say ye operation ne yi bone bi efri nipa de no say eh ma babro chire ba be hwe ba na video ba be operation de menti ase ene ma mempe paroni bam na oje paroni bam bi odusu odon 2 weeks o call hospital doctor say eh mame na eden na won say ye see ba betwa all of a sudden afa de agro amazi say no bibia ni ho biem no say eh ene asida enka paroni bam enti paroni bam de no kurani se ne na watin kan anase watin kan na ye say ye do won andro bia wati dada na bia enya de bia mesropi modern say we ma on sa committee 0530 721 165 and 0530 288 510 ebi wo ba bia ye ton adrobia enkan kumase ba bia ye ton adrobia de bomode nefa wani ekire ho no na obenya bia to nyame nhia ye nyina Omanhene
I care
nyame
Jesus zongo junction hope
yewo se da bia me sure say uti TV so na o ka ensempasa no mani age pa nyame nhia
nyame ka
nhia na ejuma pa
Then you may idea. And this year, idea boko, I call it. If you think that this any of the class, the movies are more masters, no, be at the same one. Any of the Ghana, you want to know, you know. Come, can be all wide, Chirawajin, Miss Michel, and Yantaka. But young was selecting Nipa 5. And a year we. And the 4th November, dear, Obia and Boboso, and the basin of baby so.
What are the figure of the vice president, you know, in your estimation? Yeah, and I said, you were expecting him to get more.
The vice president performance was totally below standard because 961 electoral college, a vice president constituency. Vice president constituency because there was government appointees the room. Now president appointed minister and deputy minister and I said DC and IMC. Now you say vice president you know over to Abatiano. Do 2 weeks you are so the way a vice president constituency, and I was expecting say at least in the constituency the NN 85% there because the constituency wins. It is not representative of the population. We are a very bad sample. Now we are statistics a very bad sample because sample doesn't represent the population. So this idea we actually say, oh, will be a 1 year high vote in the special delegate congress, no. Oh, and let's say we have estimation on that extrapolation echo anymore. Let's say Nippon with rather 60% on the November 4th voting. We made a mistake because this sample is a bad sample. It's not representative of the population. Other than this I was there. Branch executives are more. Over 180,000 were they represented? No. The sample didn't represent any branch executive there. You are the constituency chairman, parliament MPs, and the government appointees, and a party executive like national and regional there. The masses are over 180,000. The masses, they are not represented. So that is a very bad sample. The sample it can confuse people. I don't know what will become about it. November 4th elections, the bank will kind of banner. We not collapse because all the way that down. And Sanita 5 no million money there. 5 no be on the super moon. But no, you're not just me a faith into me a low profile, and I'm a first into me a top priority. And that shock you. Let nobody be deceived by the results of the special delegate congress.
Hi. All right, Peter Tobu, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.
Nice day to you.
Okay. Honorable Peter Tobu and I want to send to Chinkomono, Wild West Member of Parliament on the ticket of NDC. Committee I Tiso Munyan Shemu, Ewo, Bugri Nabu, ne, a tape will be a leaky, no, ne, COP sentiments allegedly. Yaboni Dino. See, Yawada, almost the list of former Mudimbe PP, Ama. Minister for Interior say ono mo munyina appear before the committee. Naki publications yeah books are yeah dia bagana ha edi akotene kase man kwala adwini mu bie kwala akotron social mu twa no yeah the creative arts for basic 1 to 6 class 1 to 6 and JHS 1 to 3 yeah sa creative arts and design books are boom basic 1 to 6 Kopim JHS 1 to 3. Your RME, religious and moral education books are, and also primary 1 to 6, any JHS 1 to 3. Now, unya books CBA and Kolano di Siadi Autumn and Kolana Komen pa. Now, what Diana says, Sachoma Boko, all no more any quarters, Uber to me Abaho. Asante Mantama, maybe Abenya book be a sweet mama bookshop, LOKO, Coco bookshop. And at the Nash bookshop, and Methodist bookshop, Errand bookshop, your SIC mall, your Best Point Savings and Loans, Tamale Gloria bookshop, and a La Mashagu bookshop. Over to me a pursue a home up dosopo to our friend 024 4892 040 024 4892 040 and a 020 5320 24 freezer now one side is the drinks no so fridge no be mu a ebrebi abrochire for no buy no uko bi fie also show the fridge no ni fe na bu Canada amana ye for bia timi tobi enti for ni kire ona so abrochire mra ofie 100 to 900 liters. Air conditioners, ahodo, yeah, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower. Home theaters, jiguma boss sound. Utu se boss sound. Fufu pounding machine, if you de kakra, wo de account fufu, any commercial one. So we machine, your industrial, and your home. Any popcorn machine, be a gas, be electric. Laptop ranging from dual core, i3, i5, i7, side touch screen. Bobadina, Lenya microwave oven, iron kettle blenders and cookers. Nijina Kabomwa, Wager Old Barrier, traffic light, Nasiko Krobite Junction. Wah. Kumasi Family Plaza, Yeben Boss FM, first floor. Adom House, Patase, first floor. Yeben Police Depot Honoma. Your number is 0244 38 5128 0244 38 5128. Dr. Menso Kochi. Now oka brofo no emu odua na waja hoko kochi. E was a kwan no nam so abedu kro bi e friend brofo edu. To brofo nka sa kro no ho ne ko e hoye katwi nko a. E ona Dr. Mensa wo ye ne Guinness Depot ni di twa ni mu pe. Odofu bi nom nsa wo nyai Dr. Mensa se bra no fa aduro nka no. O de be fra na aduane ama na di. Ensa o saka na no obefe. Aduane obedi ni kama ensakana no obefe de onum weed num cocaine num heroin nubone no obeso na duro ode begu aduane mu amanadi enu ano no enkotra hon kase akwala na se ni ade onkunu wapensa de aduro ni bi koma na hahama enye tese yakoye bibia afra onyankopon edin hahama hodo ma yense mfansa yade enu nti Dr. Mensa say akura na dwene no ase edu afiade wo ye pani obi di number ma wa te se ne ki abubo number ya we anu asa busa patch number na ese wo hia Samenk Retment herbal powder ebe pie wa dwene mu eya dwene mu aduro na ye wo laboratory ahodo ye scan physiotherapy home care ni ade nyina se wo hia se wo se ba ofie ni ade aduro bewa ane ebe fa wo lab ni ade ebe ya mawo obo onya stroke nya fe ni etam no koba ebetima hwew ebe ni ade bi enema we nyina no kochi obehu yen ma me fa number yi mawo se ne so dwala kopim freda no so kopim no num eye adwuma memreda no so kopim no miensa ye number le di kan 0271 173551 well who dia we here Samenko number mbubo e se urefia we here Samenk 0271 173551 0271 173551 0209 500 273 0209 500 273 and 0245 958 768 near Yadria Bolivia na Olivia Tibonkum Otinifa na ya Boakye Tibonkum na Future Life Smart Food Adewa na tonic life tonic jinem na no ba honma na wanya infection na greetings so asu na bibia ye kama ye mo aduane die no na esesa ya de ya Bolivia for mamache
ye josu oburu papa
na mumpom te say
adom na ne kran
bibia boko
yes ye ho anti ye gina na so
so bibia da din de
ye ho anti ye gina na so
aha
ye ho anti
Olivia so
bibia ekoso kama
Olivia okala na to super o
easy
ya u show yiri
future life
as o je fancy pe your fans aya no fancy bia mami te ma no pay
future life de bia ya na ka ho asem na ensenche na future life o ye no boya me hu se udidi ya yare no pom ma no akasa wo kosa ho yare enti ade na wo tena ho ayare ansa na we the future life aduane o na ne boss nya di o me go to sorry like my baby 45 cities and I'm saying na future life for pa o if it's one of 3 days no ade awie enti obia future life ka ho asem na aduane a obia nsa ho nko me pese busua bia ade na aduane na freestyle miracle no wo hwe wa pom de hu ye fi se hia de ayo obi na me se da bia kina no bi betima yo na infection se ka ho asem no se de si di ni panya no eti necessary na me ho se obi yare pe no opam se da be ni kidneys ne ku no infections no ebu ogana ha na da bia me ka se enkrofo edo mo fa ye ho Womo de se ombeba power nko obi ebe power nko na odwene ho. Enti wan kasa wan nwene ho amesu be wu bra Nyankopon frɛ wo. Edua enyini so ane po ebem. Enti obi a hwe ne nipadua so ye. Didi ye.
Babe the Reverend Oche twetwe komo. Reverend Oche Blankson, nyame so for mo atia no pay.
Hello.
Papa na what to say?
Awurade Nyankopon adumo na won so e.
Yes, e ho ye pa. Papa dia dance na wo efa future life asye ya wo koye.
Anopɛ de yɛda Awurade Nyankopɔn ase sɛ ɔma adepa akye na katremada abodwim.
Amen.
Na anopɛ adanse a medical abomedin na mache asanteman ane yewura ɔte kɔkɔɔ so asase so na yɛgyina Awurade Nyankopɔn ɔnto ne nkwalem na ɔma ne nyansa ne nimdeɛ ɔne n'apamfo nyinaa. Na anopɛ adanse a mewɔ kakra ɛde ma heba a future life the esopa eso the Awurade Nyankopɔn afa wɔn so ayɛ ama me yɛsɔfo a medin ɛde Reverend Oche Blankson aprade odioba aprade ɛhɔ ɛda masɔre Agony of Christ Ministry na be February mu hɔ no ɛna me yare ma yɛgye me to SD hospital na no echiri no se mebe ho hone ho pa se me nim ne me nasi nyina ta tai ana se me jimi ho be bia denje enti doctor ka se me nkonkotwa scan me nko lab or medilab na me famre no enti sada na me yes me ya ho bo akwa na me sisters e ba be nche se o mo ba be hwe me to mobile nyina omusu
Sompa FM
omo hweme ni mo ana te se omusu a enya asem ketwa na asema mi sister ba ko kan se oh madam fu bi ko future life ma yekohwe ye mo ma na duane no bi enti ye nko ho to de wo so ko lab na wo ye lab ni wi a na ye ko ho na msi yo eja ye nyina tu ana mo ye kodo ye koto ma mi Ekoto mami a pe o hwe me a metrase obusa me boy amane a pe na mami a hyase yinro mami a hyase yinro yo disi on ma pa se munro ni muntu aka onkono ebeko sese enwasa di ye mi nwanwa na mhwe mami di sanam sia so se enko dia enko no mu dia makodi no mahwe ti asemo ka kire mi anse unidi yi enti ye be ma wo mianu no no akwa akodi na ya hwede Awurade Nyankopɔn obeye nam suyo ti o kire medidie minidi anajo mini way time say fact ye be fi me bedi so ase me hwe na maye na aja isu menya me fa hodi ana ye best at ye din roy me dure adite ewi a omo kyerem se me nkopɛ bogobogo na me famfra asantije ni na menye mini menno me brendi ana ma so ne so na manom enti me kopɛ asantije ni bi papa de mi asa me ye mo sanfo me ya na me de mensane na mayase de me hu ya se bibia di hwepra kopɛ sebe mbeslamika o anopɛ de me hu ya ne se bibia di hwepra kopɛ wura me hwom na me de mense so me hwom na me hwo ya petra ko sa me so na pe ko de me hu ya se me hwo ya hu na ya kakaka me se Awurade na die ni e de ba se me yan kakra na nti bedu fie me be fi apena me baba ko no se na da na dia na aja ehye wani mo wani ma kakaka asa na man kasa na muru adem na me friend se omumra on ba na me se mo hwe de atumi no me se da na yen frɛ ma me no e frɛ ma me a ma me se o de koso no maduro no na edi aduane no ne be ko na me se adi asem na ma me o keka kyerɛ me dia me so ya ma ho no kakaka de manim sa twi de dia asem no woken o de wase me no mama me no me hwe e de anajo no de Johnson de me mfa ni agro che se pay ye de si wonom se na ayema ye de pay si wona ayema me do so ma de chen afi ade chen na just maintain me wan sit them sa two cars sa ba ya me to ma me be to papa ya to papa papa say oh ya won dey say ya be control dey kona kokoro no no hey me am say me say me hwa papa ya ni mo ala say I said that so cry asa ana aja mete ye bae ye be sato nri bi kan ho ye bae be no me ya afede e di 3 days 4 days a Yankopon cha de me na me hu nyina twitwin am me hu na hu me na se atata ni nyina Yankopon adom a tse me nan e na twitwin na tse enije asase e ba fi enti future life dey say me kan o masemo a me hu de menka enti de bia say me so la no papa adwumba akọ medika to aye ni me hu nia menka me hu na sema menka na Adea benkra na me fa nyina ye erade osaye minyamie Oye kesi o se na se mi wa se ma menka na mi hunia menya eje benkra na mi fa nyina ye enti say ade achi no pa bia mi sister so mo frɛ me apɛ no mabusa me say na future life for enuane do no ebi wo ho me sia ensa mi guso ame no papa de Ewurade Nyankopon afa maami so ayama me eso nti mesre se wo bi a wo ntiapo na wo yare abomoden fo wani kire ho na de omo beka kire oni diso ne ye na wo ya Ewurade Nyankopon be hye ne wani monyam na hwe se last week Friday medua ne kura asame ko ho no makoto bi me ko ya pe na maami asa yi aduane bi asa de aka no se sofo je o ye we ohunu we na o de ya fa we gum na sa edika ho na entu ya de na se kura mfa ma wo enne manoa ye de na me kasa ho Yankopon waye bi na animonyam kese so ameka de ama me doctor e friend doctor akoto se me ka che ni se Mrs. Tanuma be fa me de mako future life na me ko e omo ma me enuane nro asem a o kan ni se enye hwe dika ho na ye hwe de nyame be ye enti se ne Ewurade na madom so na se maame Yankopon afa oni ni kunu so na me ne mano aye tin na mitimi sole kura tena ka mu na me no mo kasa me drive o
wow
yes be nice as late as so me drive
Sompa FM yem fa sedan nyina ma okese no Reverend me da se na Olivia so nyene fans
yaw what is that about Friday no me hu no one me hu ni bi Friday no ba to oba na osre na me so bra mpa cho betena se
anse wa akra wan hu
no na no osre na de me ka se Nyankopon mu nyam se omo ba na omo ye ma for obi enu mabusa fi se am se na situation na den enti no me hwe am se na ne bag girl no me hwe na ni ma ose midwife and nurse ti me ka sa ho beto na papa na me so esofo was me ne ba de se and I'm say to buy the business and ban your nurse who knows how your nurse and I'm saying
this is our nurse no way
I don't say so friend so omra
umukura de
anti wonim so wo didi ya wo change ubibia besesa enu nti na enuane die me se ni pedua ne here balance diet na man ba Friday ni me hu no ne was me so ubia we ne nam se da bi o ha nipa de doors o se ka na so wo de ma me show ne nipa bebre wa and o se me ne sofo langs nam so wow afeni mani atete fi say oba and the one was say kese wo don say wura mu say nsuo cup ma beti me wura mu no wa kakraka
she wa kama
wa ye say so
no lady na dance
and I'm say no why small boys I so winyini so enti nuane na ye di no emwa so to buy ho chire nuane obedi ni de woni nyina na 12 apostles no ye de amount enti ntina onyare ansa and where the future life and that be American infections no ho asem enkrofo pio muntimi menstruate na o ma ase o mo ya no ni nyina na ase na chi anya o se na sisi no ne kidneys na ese mo na ese no remember bebre ayemre no mo so o ma yemre na o manya prostate enlargement as cancer no infections and na mo ulcer mesro cancer ekuro bia cancer you will greet you o ha de be mo awanom it obi amra ya so o eneme wo ho yare ya obi amra ya so o
and Olivia ho ya also swap alata my phone numbers into Johnny actually kwai
yo ya da se ya chi phone nyina biem ya sign e wo sofa line alignment sofa line alignment interchange no so a wode woni a kire patase no e ho na ye wo ye adwuma etwada edikosi memene da kwasi adanko a na ye ma anopa no nwotwe ne fa ye bopon anwumere no nsia de o kekan wonso wadanse adi akire eno ntibra na ye ma woduane a wobedie na mwa na nuro no na dɔɔso enuro no na dɔɔso ngura abafo na akoko school no wɔn de Omanhene wɔn ba wɔyɛ no ho aborɔfo ya mehwɛ nsi ya na future life no doctor for papa ɛna ayɛ o enye sɛ doctor for papa
ɛna nurse kakra bi wɔde nurse sɛm no ɛwɛ hɛ kyerɛ hɔ ɔyɛ health assistant ɔyɛ just with the bibiaba
ayɛ mehwɛ mu sɛ di sizani ayɛ sɛ
ɔkɔba so ana no dwom
nam ka kyerɛ wɔ
ɛwɔ infection said dini mu sɛ nyam
me say Omanhene ye hwe midwife wi no obo ntiri nko wo se wa wo pane na me so me ka kire nse wo wo 30 days time be sa ba wo infection ya wo pane wo pa agimachinyi afo hwe anim sa wo se wa wo 4 times and am say enko
na ya do bi ntwa no woni say obi ama hwe the prostate and the buyer doctor o kwalebu chese ne papa situation na na oso obehwe me o se na se bibi se o hade na nkrofo bebre wu o prostate ho no me se se mo ane ngu ya wo treat prostate na enko ya na infection se mo ane ngu ya wo treat ya enko eti mo ane be ma na enlarge e kakra na cancer de ho agim ti me ma ya mre nyina mo mra ye ho be ma muti anom
ya ulcer ahodo infections hawo afei yade ben na wo bodiri yen everyday ma ye kwanse ye mo yade bi adin ne mo de enima ne se ye ton duane brane mo duane ni bi ni e natural food supplement enti wo de order duro so wo na duro so brane be gibi e kura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids eno na eboa wo ye number si nie ye wo so full alignment 0242
0242
87
80
90
90
0242
87
80 90 number for 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 me say feature life aduane ko bo ase ye benya bia mawo takwa konongo akire nsua sunyane nyina freyen na ye nkyerɛw na yare ya awade nkyerɛ mo nyina
I won't pep property products are any na Tony Sack. Na oba bie showroom fufro e new Kumasi, the new Kumasi Mall. And I said Kumasi Melcom. Oh dan kese ne atrosu Kumasi no. E edum ufri sa dan no a na okọ traffic lights na ufri pick and pay. Aha, ufri sa dan so na okọ pick and pay. Kanete te pioneer dan no mu pe. E hono mo a and I'll be hunu now showroom fe wonya fa kire onu rato krom honoma a dino ye kama a hot fefe nanya fefe keke chest freezers deep freezers microwave ovens food processors washing machine any nneɛma ahodoɔ a air conditioners 1.5 2.0 2.5 inverter ɛsan so deɛ Wi-Fi ekulu nyasa wo dia koto ba bi ansa kyesa wo so ya na dem wa nyunyunyunu no odofo me kamfo property electronics amawa open iron papa open kettle papa ne mo nkro ne ba na kyese wo de wani kyerɛ property electronics tonisak na okopie mo sunyane nso a sunyane ye wo cocoa board runabout yani oe terminal na be e fa bus no e di hwani mu enkran sphincters ye depo kese ala dum e hona so ufri Wesley Methodist isane a triangle no ye ni di hwani mu pe be tramu TVs ni mienu nya dum why na abomodena 0500 309 309 0500 309 309 na just wa bomodena na one Tony Sakaye dey atwetwe nkomo na open do support to so a ye was 6 months warranty to 1 year warranty a bibia so da din edema wo umpe we na opede 0500 309 309 just give us call na 0244 266 193 0244 266 193 birthdays no enie ene Juliet Ayakwa ukunu Frank Ayakwa si o ma otrinkwa entino ene obeye show ene showdown special showdown for you Juliet Ayakwa afei Father John Bernard Beecham Father John Bernard Beecham of Rome from Justy family especially Godwin Father John Bernard Beecham o Rome hey obeba no e kadna happy birthday to Boafo Ernest Yeboa star ben we a terminator you are yeah terminator star di Queen Erajua Poma SML Baba Queen Erajua Poma SL Mills. O papa say, make a so do. Happy birthday to you, Queen Erajua Poma SL Mills. Alberto Pokunshra of KNUST from Pokua of Sompa TV. And there you are with that. Who's any?
Why?
The MPP, they've done their super delegates conference. 67, 629 out of 91, the vice president, 956. Kennedy Akumprekwe Japan, 14%. Alan Kojo Martin, 10%. Trickling down. You see, Omako do 0909. Nipa minu abo bracket. Kanisa ne kano.
Se kano dem.
Abo bracket. Ti nipa 4. And you omuti omo twen baako. It's now the executive, the National Executive Committee together with National Council here I take a decision whether or not some call runoff.
No, they have to go runoff.
September 2nd no matter but the National Executive Committee and National Council's decisions override. Momo BC Adams Amana and your National Executive decided to one and
the two people involved. No, the attempt.
Modi ABC wa yi voter reject.
But change akwa na sa deni mu. Ko show down bia.
Me see ABC
constituency o.
That be the constituency is not the same. ABC
Obama show down bia.
Chairman and the National Executive took a decision. Adams Abana was given the mandate.
One candidate decided say yes.
It was after they were spoken to. So how would you know the National Executive Council
but
will speak to them?
He's ready for a runoff.
It was because
and then it was
alleged.
He's ready for
it was because
runoff.
It was alleged so we're giving up while he has not.
And so man started.
And also they should ignore the fake and this thing no.
With a fine fake.
But we be NDC. I don't know how to
to who. Fanko to na yanko bo obi ani. Yanko twa obi hunu so. Yanko pia oba dia amofo. Mr. And fanto to ho. All
right. Ajekuma Kwaba.
Yeah,
Honorable DC. Kuma una I want to say.
But
your mirror I want to say.
Oh,
Berman Safu Truba could run who ye say we say Ninu Bakuna and that from a year Micklin. Bibia no much say.
Oh,
I must Nansena or I down.
Berman, Hemaya Copa, why? Madama, Unana Michiao. Okay, Mama Munina Quabe, dear. Who's only my too? And PP.
Yeah.
About to your Mutu ye.
Oh,
Kaudi and Kankaho. Then so don't be no money in the corporate.
Oh,
it's a hiamo.
Omanhene, I think say back in January, meaning so we tape view one of your sister stations. I think say I made the prediction say first 5 in there. I know say be Baumia. In fact, as a then na Kenyam picking momentum.
Into my
I say Alan Baumia, Alan, Kennedy, Japan, Akoto Free, and then I added Boakye Jako.
That's right.
Yeah, that was the list I made me propose yes on go through. I also remember say back in June, I made the same. I said no, but said dear Ken Ekeka Kono. I will not be surprised if he overtakes Alan Martin. And I also predicted 68% for
Vice President.
I said he will get between 65 to 68. Best case scenario, why Adea power will be 70.
And he had 67.
Yeah, and he has, I think 67, 68 thereabout.
If you run it up, it will be 68.
What that tells me is that Baumia is in trouble.
Baumia is in trouble.
Yeah.
How?
Because Omanhene, this is a particular electoral college it bet me shape in line easily.
Okay.
What am I saying? Then the second phase man you who say this particular electoral college are the main whips in all the constituencies. Say they cannot
ship in Crawford.
That is it.
Now what makes you think they cannot ship them?
What makes me think say Baumia is in trouble is say if you're not able to ship all these people in line to get even 75 to 80%.
What makes you think you can ship the
and this even within that the manipulations North East say why would you can now they actually do it? Why would you can now they actually do it? And that is what they were doing now.
Because they were camped and the bus brought them.
Yes. And Allah Nipaniko protested yeah.
Ali Zakaria.
No Mubono. And now Ken Nipano Korea did our bounty on some pamuni free okra showdown a buyer. No. What's the massive? And these are MPs,
ministers,
constituency chairmen,
regional ministers,
regional chairmen, like regional executives.
National.
MPP national headquarters. Aba Ken Yaw. Aba Ala Yaw. What am I say? So for me, it tells you say yes, some of the MPs are relying on a more second term of office continuation. They were sponsored to actually fix the 555 in favor of Baumia. So it was hang go hang come. Inti scratch my back, I scratch your back. That was what they did. Inti most of the MPs, especially in Ashanti and Eastern region, that was the focus. Inti Ashanti votes na call the I wasn't surprised because they consciously selected most of the MPs. Emma Omusika said, polling station executives no monye na mo fan hye elections in suicide ruswa ye ma obi am be contest in the unlikely situations obi be backcrash or be contest no we are ready to support you. So most of the MPs are you omani mo Ashanti region especially.
Why are you talking like you were there?
Arenye ani omnenam.
Okay. Mamintiu.
Oh, so most of it were established for them. Intino so one kasa wa establish bibi no be etimi free baby abekasa amanipa na wa establish this sika establishing as so the tia there. When your own dog starts barking at you, it means somebody is feeding it. So wow kramaya oni nitifie ubedu fia kramaya start a paw. Let's just say obi start a man aduane ntini re ya few. And that is what the danger Canada Japan brings to this election. Ayala na can share anyame nwanwa. It would have been like a protest vote. Now it's as if say nipa no ye mpeno. Chinchina mo pese mo pia de ne share ye kon. Now what is happening is fine. You sure say ye yi anima mo beto atia yen. Enti no mo be ma MPs ni bia luzu. Constituency chairman for
the Canada Japan asemi. Tie. Proud to you know. Okay, what that trust?
Me point ni say most of these people no one or nye MP a omo se kura no mu a or regional executive and constituency executive a contract bi kura no mu nti no wa anya favor we ma ho. So most of them no are the establishment candidates good. Nti you would expect say enka mo nyina ekono all out for Bawumia would have been easy. But to have your own establishment, not to say obietimi abowura sa establishment no. Now what that does is that
okay,
grassroots for now mobile.
My intino. Kasa.
What it means is that one Kennedy Day in Kenya be some grassroots for no.
About hope.
Yes. So you can defy these people and there will be no consequences.
Company for no cry be my defy
yes. Ultimately, into grassroots for now.
Take it off.
Grassroots for now no munu for say now they were scared. They were as a big mfimfi yankwa anase me yankwa yakwa dey nebesi no. Now this result has given the now when mu kra na kwa ni say masa and they are all now into 555 now war polling stations over 38,000 polling stations no.
Almost on the door super.
They cannot all be whipped in line now.
But the issue is also this. Most of the MPs also control the grassroots.
And I make sure I say most of the MPs no result in the actually. Ultimately, it means some of the MPs didn't flip.
But Edison just say, doesn't it also tell you say on the day of November 4th, say most of the MPs no so some crop for and this time around it's 50+1.
Yes, and I make sure I say this time around what is going to happen is Alan's vote will go up more than the 10% in November. Because there are some constituencies a chairman no kwa na call ye. Ultimately chairman ni MP kwa na your friend is saying regional executive be in free ho. So the moment this time around all the constituency executives are going now. Then the 555 from all the polling stations in constituencies be Ashanti region cry favorable to Alan. When all those people now move Alan's numbers will go up. Canada Japan no on said any bank be to say Alan Rural Bank no. Canada Japan is doing joint ventureship with Bawumia commercial bank no na Canada Japan so akoye ni deposit that is the danger for Bawumia now. Alan there no ni dey na rural bank and they okutam. And
are you surprised at Alan's?
I wasn't surprised at all because this establishment was actually established for Bawumia.
The Alan figure onyae no.
It was surprising because it means some people defied the establishment.
What I'm saying is Kennedy beating Alan.
I knew Kennedy was going to beat Alan way back in June because I saw the way Kennedy was rising. Until onya Bawumia de ni bi. No anu crop kakra me middle minded for be ka ho a he will bow. Until I make say November 4th. Oma hwe ye na Kennedy tra 30% they are in trouble. Kennedy timi tra 30%.
Second round.
That is it. And I'm sure Alan Anya Dekura Ubenya over 20%.
Really?
Yes. So in the event of a second round, Bawumia is in trouble. Seriously.
So you see a second round or you don't see a one time?
Bawumia, if they work hard and spend more, because now they are going to spend more.
More money.
Yes.
More money.
This is yes, I part the almost beshi. Bawumia can do between 50 to 54, 55.
That's your prediction.
Yes.
He can to who?
And I make I say between 50 to 55 they almost spend the power with me and one touch. But say the Kennedy call China Kennedy track 30%. There's a second round. And the second round, Baumia Shukis is goodbye.
We don't favor the
because second round, boom, Alan Bao, almost Alan will go beyond 20%.
Second round, the banner, Kennedy, the dead man, Alan will join.
Ah, come on, Kodibamano. Allow ba, and now, planting for flag bearers. I also only Jano man track 10.
Not 10, and easy. Who can't easy?
And this one he got 4%.
Yeah.
This is the establishment college. He got 4% in that.
Which means he can get 10.
So the nature on the say, so nipping now 10% will hasia. It means that 10%, you know, they can ship another 10% too.
Which is Alan.
Yes.
Kennedy had 14. So Obetima double then you're 30.
He can even triple it. Because kingmakers, no, they are also still the chief whips who omokoto saba we no omo na ye nkrofo a omo so sa control most of the constituencies and the polling stations. And this so jai ma we na wo also control no nipa ni free we chipe. It means what is even going to hurt them the most is say they can't know who was against them.
Yes.
As at now omo timi hu until enough is there they decided to actually go all out say massa yama musika yama mu bibia so masa de adri de yesremo oto afachere enye sa pa dia yempe surprises bia o ha.
Okay,
but the hear me hu ni say central region you saw what happened there. It was ABC 22 ABC 25 against 19. It means the general one Kennedy will beat them in central region. Mark my words. Kennedy will beat them in central region. We beat Baumia in central region, especially because of what they did in northeast. So the showdown, no, so say na wo yen wo ukro mu dia okay. Yes, yen sir, and Alan Crawford so ni bebre Ashanti region. So that is where the showdown will happen.
Okay, you take Kennedy asem no quickly.
I'll be the next president. I'm telling you, bottom polling station I win. Yeah. I'll be the next president. I'm telling you today, I'll be the next president because me winning primaries, I'll beat Mahama hands down. Mahama doesn't have a message. I have a good message, and I'm a man with vision. Me will taste. I like good things, and therefore I will do good things for the country. And now, set up me yeah, and painful they were so impressed. Wow. And we show videos in here, police station executives, you know, we are grateful. In Tiabe Diama, woman is cap every year bottom police station I win. I'll be the next president. I'm telling you today, I'll be the next president because me winning primaries, I'll beat Mahama hands down. Mahama doesn't have a message. I have a good message, and I'm a man with vision. Me will taste. I like good things, and therefore I will do good things for the country.
Okay, this is what if you say the can I say see the also by winning delegates, polling station you win.
Me, I'm not just trying to sound as if say I support Canada Japan,
but you sound like that.
No, come on. Canada Japan will make the election too chaotic in Ghana.
He'll make it chaotic.
Yeah, too chaotic. Canada Japan is like the Trump of Ghana. Obama abato na ye hija basa moja be too much. But me point in say how he's going. But we Crawford no e daka krebi asamato omo.
Okay.
For me, Juma na sabeto minu yi so.
Who's looking at the Japan presidency ana?
Not at
leading
all.
The NPP.
It will be chaotic, but we'll beat him.
Why do you think it's going to be chaotic? Are they?
Now we're trying to showdown. We can put a showdown. No, you know what will happen. Imagine Ken Massa. All all the violence in MPP from 28 up to 2020, most of it was orchestrated and sponsored by Kennedy Japan. Omo niema ni bebre omo ye ways and means ni nyina Kennedy Japan and actually. From 2008 up to today, much of for in MPPO, then your invisible forces that Kennedy Japan was sponsoring all those things.
You are a legend.
Me a legend. Say no na kai.
So say.
No na kai say 2008 security, national security break it down on mobilizing the match for deploy omo. No na kai say. So why are you making it look as if something I'm making? So it will be a motivation for thuggery. So for me, it is, but I am just being factual. Say, a year ba umianko for say ye omoboa.
Okay, Ajokum.
Yeah.
Akwaba.
Yeah, Japan.
Mami tio.
Yeah.
Wele mo nam ne gu apaso.
No.
Any
that's
you.
My me that's na. Is a champo a do a champo grass hene o hwe me chiao. Na me hwe binua donko nkoma a wodi nyina o nani GMPP ho pa
Mo hasa.
nani GMPP ho
Nani ji how?
nani GMPP
Odo MPP.
very anya me nwanwa say what soft spot for MPP.
Oh za.
Yeah.
I read to you.
Oh yes.
When you mo tutu ma basare say oh soft spot ma.
I know why I'm saying.
Have you
Now the interesting aspect of it is MPP I already say be form by 2025 come January. Now abobo memma din.
Sompa FM.
Memma din. Abo Yura His Excellency Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. Wabo Kennedy Akumpreko Japan. Wabo Alan Kojuchre Martin. Wabo a free no say Adea pneumonia Jacob. Any of them can beat the incompetent John Mahama anytime.
Really?
Yes. Now, Sewasha, Yanko Fwa, Yako abato democracy kwanso. Obian sunsum obi, obian chinchin obi, obian hunahuna obi. Obian kase obi abodam, ndiye mani jina enye. Yatia say na era Dr. Kwabrado for keka musa. Want me kure nyina ba no. Want me nyina. Ye democracy papa no obi anchinchim obi nsa. Enu nti na wanya kwan ya analysis no. To far we are the percentage we are ma we far we are not the percent. By the end of the day, new patriotic party MPP abaya na Akufo-Addo edi animuna His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. We will make Ghana, we'll form the next government. Edi animu you be break 8 with Ejumadin. Now good governance ye ka ho asem no sebe bibia ni ho a ye na o ye interview bi ya bato but by and large over 90-95% Ghana for obi agi ehun say the first round no aye kama sa na second round no enso beye I mean commended the national executives you run team ne yura Justin Frimpong Koduanom omodano ne election committee na right honorable right Michael Kwe adwuma omo aye na from the polling station coordinators constituency executives eba besi national no obiara ye conscious obiara ye aware say ye to aba we a de di ho ne say ye nyina be ka bom ne atobi ye di dipin ye democrats no a ye e wo Ghana ha na emu asa kenyan party no ye di akọ 2024 ne dia ko biti NDC na ya sa betena ha aya analysis no ne aye ni yi is ya dwuma ya ye enra uhu planting for food and jobs
yeah phase 2
the gaps are a year Dr. Brian Champon a great minister and the team oma fele a kwanya omo faso ama private sector no this time around consciously abaya rope omo in no ma be ye afuo kakaka
value chain
exactly eye Adea ya dadwene ho ahu say that is the way to go na no ani je soldier for take aban nse Ghana for gina epono nachi say omo je na omo akofa essay o hwen ran hyehyeye na ode agu ho na sanhye niam ni nyina no we private sector participation na ya ye ne de sika awuram na jenni no na ba ne de bia wura ye free SHS na ene ye nuane a de man kwada no all our policies na ye sidi na gina ne nan so the enhyehyeye a ye na ya break 8 no enye name calling enye Kennedy Japan enye Adenimo enye Alanchre Martin His Excellency the Vice President eye NPP program policies are gaps are ye hunu ye first term ana ye 8 years and another Danko Kufado na ono acknowledge ye identify ye ko nyina no na ye kabom na ya make sure because ye hu say ye ya say opposition in this country because opposition na NDC no mo fast and papa bia ma nti wo say ye kwa ya sa take stock na ye hu say ade we ye ni say ya beboa so be kaya tama covid by opposition under John Mahama or set a committee say omo committee no niama oti ni nka biem wan ti ni nka wa o ma direction bia say ye ni say ya na Ghana for ho beto omo eno anso omo ti committee no keka nipa bom ya nto omo nka biem na eguye ekowi ase a esade wo haw ne amane ba oman sikasem so kire me one policy a NDC aka say oh haw ne amane ya yare ide ba ye die a kwan we ne fa so anke beboa ye empo ebra ewiase fan wo kwa atwe na niema we expecting na what say His Excellency the Vice President ene aban no kabom exa dwene bibi foforo kofa gold for oil ene hyehyeye foforo edeba ye wa say ebra niema mu ye den ade NDC eka za muntwa free SHS tama IMF issues yi bai omo de Adea ba say yo munyi social policies no eno na ewi esika it's needless momi review yenya ni say omampani say ye be hwe say ye betumi akuta ye proper policy num esan say eno na eboa na create a balanced society ente sa sikani ba be ko school no hia ni batifie ye busa say Adea na ode be kai NDC John Dramani Mahama ban enche Adea pa katawani na kasem ba ko a obi anya bibi enka me ode obehu say your track record any your policies any your men omo a wa ono ankasa bobo din onimo omo din unim say Spio Gabra kan say NDC for kai MPP policies but NDC policies now the NDC for kai Spio Gabra small kan no also busa NDC ni say ka MPP policies obe kata na ni akeka ni nyina but NDC busa NDC yanso policy ba ko kan ba ko ohun ebi na yewura don kote ha okay enhyehyeye a yewura na nado danko akufo ado ne yewura Mamudu Baumia ade aba no we know say ye ankasa ena yesaya alternative no enti ye policies no say ye bibi na say ye hwe na say ye take stock ne ehun say eye ne afele gaps no eno ne de ye ko in November 4 wonim now when it comes to integrity Vice President Mamudu Baumia 8 years untumi incite corruption related allegation ba kokora won as compared to Tamana John Mahama
that I can say it's I don't want to use the word wholly true but it is true
meba yate yase ena omambe media ma fa vice to vice o
aye
ya wa na amajaro for beto koko ema ya blacklisted o omambe ni that free UK buy no ni a reinstate you ya wa na kanazoy
na drusu ne ko UK
media wo de haruna kwa say so omadu nija nti on de ma me fa ne to baabi ya wa se na kanazoy edika Ford muno edikoma John Mahama ojiwie ye no ana man contract do pepe so no sa be ka kire Ghana contractors say monko Burkina Faso no akwan a waye na monko sua 2 weeks amana atutu owie no so ono kra ne con no Ford no Ghana for mo ka do no Ford kra nya ni taste owie ya na ansi hwa yet ya say na me ne don kofuseni sa bre na me presiding member John Mahama call launch book say ethics of a public servant Santana no oje Ford no say impose obi be che wade a declare it took Manasi Azuri. This is a manner obe faces any penumi a don kofuseni bubo omudi no obi a one style. But His Excellency, the Vice President na yeb kana sem no Yera Mamundu Baomiano. And this if one comfortable with him because omunim say okuta certain qualities biya. Omu candidate a wabedi Vice President, no di President no onkuta bi. Sabio, me no te hey under John Dramani Mahama. Yetimi to school mu 2 months ewo esremu mantem mu adan ya feeding ko feeding and konan krani etifie me busa wo say ma me want issue a see of northern region efa o musuku semo enti se wo hwe se de no oka constituency so fire rakenedi a Japan expose a ode ye NDC for busa se omo ba ko pe se bia Kennedy kra no na brabo mu nyina no wafa 1 CD ana wafa 2 CDs Sompa FM Sheye Rakoto Papa planting for food and jobs resources about kire me se ba ko pe hwe one district one factory and Yera Alanchire Martin kire me se ye wo issue ba ko petia no nothing unya and this how kwa Yera Alanchire Martin ye New Patriotic Party ni Canada Japan ye MPP ni Akoto Free or ye MPP ni His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Yera Mamudu Baumia MPP ni and ye catch ra say ye break 8 ni na nye ahunahuna ne eko a na mo ye policies and ye dey ba also what say because NDC ni no oni bi me wan say na drobonso satam na me nua free ho ye see community day school a yesi odrobonso consultations a was a baso to say the nep okufo adu si hospital kese odrobonso enche na awie ye be invite don kofuseni ko hospital a yesi consultations ko so ye kira ba bi a ye mfansi ebra yesi community day school senya ahuna ebi a senya so benya kukodura ono ankasa a wote ha sei no baby I this school no kosi ye na nya ho na no pese kosi talk of saying out here
why na de kosi ho
I don't you are only the best person but yeah hospital no look at the level of consultation current MP or teso odrobonso he never consulted anybody so consult don't of saying on country and on my school no so no de kosi ho ya postum kwara 117 community day school I want catchment area within Drobonso and it environment crown so amonko
because school no simrem
and yes baby I want no just sabio sabim prediasa
obe kono obe brasa no aba
ya me yasa de nkwara no ba twene bo akodua senior high school because they weren't conscious and ye no na maka to say ye hospital a yesi no Drobonso any a honum no ye consultation to there be a sino ye the buy-ins of everybody and the sana ye koto ya bay the buy-ins of everybody the polling station the coordinators that is in our DNA MPP ye nye bibia agenda 111 baby ana manso wo asase a manso wo so no ye to ye bo ase resolve ya now it is coming on board but the ana manso nsiso no go and check baby a project na dudru na a single investment in the Republic of Ghana a bin sida over 100 district hospitals enra me wa ha say regional health director otiemi ana obi a oye adwuma health directorate onka se me boa ye postu nipa ya ha se ye postu nurses at the Bakumawu hospital ahead of its commissioning Former hospital, ahead of it commissioning.
Mawie.
I'm telling you. You see, me person me ma
Mawie.
Oh, Enra, I have that. Odia obianim. Doctors no crowd omo ba. Omo hands on machines no near de. Enra nurses.
Timo share machines no.
I no crowd machines the assessor we. Ya the best in na gugum.
Kumau.
Yes. Ubisa unia I over Simon Semen. Oh, Jesus Christ. You come and see.
Oh. No. Let me be frank on it. Also, last me ba.
Yes.
Me ba Kumau me got here.
Me pacho.
Very much.
Yes.
Me nini di hon komo.
Yes.
He's a medical doctor of repute. Or person what Tna hospital. Ne je si amu be ina free yi ala.
Ane bema. Eze onana ebusa o.
You bema. Je si awu yi feel say judge pram so. E je si bema be free. That's what they. Na me imagine say. Kuma Omanhene.
Yeah.
Na ne refan say abrantie bi ababa wa bi maami bi.
Yeah.
Go hospital.
Yeah.
Na ne hene.
Yeah.
Esa white.
Yeah.
Edi wo mo doctor fo yi bi agu ko.
Sure.
Now diagnose no chere drama.
Yeah.
You can imagine a hona kra no sa nipa no yade no kra ede.
It's true.
It's na my so kid say why would Kumawu hospital but genuinely una otia woka wo ye DC ultimate chan
Bamba kra wo hwe wo no ne president nyina ne call
say Kumawu hospital an come bomb nsama
say Formina it is Formina kra me ankasa me call because me advocate say
na aka afare ne say wia
wonim sa ho nyina afare issue was electrification
and as a wia so ye kwan
exactly and the regional minister they are on top of it. Okay. They are seriously working on it. Wrap it up on it. Me person me who's me person me can mo biya to say. Ya juma ye no in times of difficult moments. Oh, dear air koso obia otie mama obia mohu because obia nim say ye were men of integrity in current times. I wo share the world politics. Obi anim say economy no a bit stormy but so obi obema wani da so a eno na omo fa so de to abama Kenya vice president eno na omo fa so a Gambia omo retain omo me pa cho hu de me cho yes eno na omo de retain mo twetwe no saa se de mo twetwe yi Nigeria mampani a otiso Tinubu na manfo social media ya crucify no bia na NDC for ye but obi a wo form a onim adwuma ayeye make us for the first time in history and ne walk out be or drop so you fly drone near the kiono and next I walk out be na ambulance the night back
and the man for drone.
Oh, sir, uni ambulance. Uni ambo. I want a cow. Exactly. The drone is sunny. Oh, be that.
Me know because you cannot even go to.
Isekura. Oh, and the drone never come. But the uncle the drone ever fly. Yeah, something. The drone. The drone. The call. All time I can grant come on train.
All right, hold on. Babili Jamra, Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Say, I don't do one now, Pia, Papa dear. Stroke, no, diabetes, hypertension, hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, typhoid, malaria, ulcer, peptic ulcer. When you know, Ugo PMO Grace Gift her. Habain Tete, a quantum pono, and Dr. Grace Bodu Nam Swan and a doctor for. You better share, you do a fast scan machines, a whole door massage. Would the old Diana say Kumasi Shim School Junction, but I cast a quaso and kind new at Chimota Petroleum Banglo, Family Life International School Hall, and I'll be call. Number 0244 126 123. 0244 126 123 and 0543 320-030 0543 320-030. Na bibia ede ekoso kama at the amount. Your destination travel services. Fayeko na fayeko du jojo. O pese unya visa. Ekwan ya be faso ajo visa no ye be boa. Afei we businessman o pese unya business visa. O tu kwan no asa o fire na wo koye be boa. Ye de asukufo momo ekwako suku foforo akọ university wo we university kwato aso diploma ni PhD nyinara eno no packages na e crado your promotional package Canada USA with work permit sounds so na Dubai Turkey any Asian countries awodo Europe nyinara no your destination travel services nurse foi a teacher foi ye de mu tu kwan yo o number no aba frɛ 0257 298084 0257 298084 and a 0206 74 8767 0206 74 8767 over here was a curry mampon any rubber bank reading anymore unya miso drink obi abesra ofie watwane bi wanya miso wanya 5G e ma mema energy e ma hodim ye adwuma empaso adwuma den so oba num bi bema num bi 5G miso so ye wo fruits na hodo mienu mixed fruit and a mango unya sade wo wedding engagement outdoor party biase miso and echo 5G and echo KF Kunji Enterprise no hotel swami heya obenya bi sanso na kwaku ache company limited for the Icing region Nasachi Enterprise wasafo abinchi VIP car park ho afa PNC Ventures Anomanye taxi station yene charity hospital de hwanimu manager Daniel wa 21st clinic ehwa overseas sanso na Bikan supermarket sister sewa abawa post office Anomanye na Atcom Royal Ventures Mama Esther Ultra Baptist University Boakye obenya bi PNC Ventures Anomanye station charity hospital ho eno so obenya bi ato obetimi afre 026 3185869 026 3185869 0544 483392 0544 483392 Obetima Fred number we subio 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 na bibia ekoso 3 herbal center ya di cocoa adrenabo 3A cold capsules onoma ebe usisi yade no ne usisi mu nyina afri ho afei cocoa no asiase no anu so a enka bababa ntu no ma utimi ko na ndi ane se ayi constipation ayam tim so afri ho niam miensa we nti ese fe ne 3A cold capsules the cocoa master it does not give you running stomach and so tutimi num kwa adwuma o Colinac Danny Heba Mistine Apidank nyina obenya bi ato friend 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 otu asika rural bank stronko ya said that aye infant minor savings account on save ma oba be ha kwanda achi save man in there fixed deposit interest no dosopo saso savings account susu account utoa ni akabo home yensa na de abobo sia na wadwuma ni mu atre open loan oye adwuma aban adwuma ni open salary advance ya beboa funeral loans wo business loan commercial eno so wo and a micro groups makam ho bo miensa 9 ye here guarantee ye here collateral wo de bra na beje bosia no Western Union Eastwich MTN Momo Ghana Pay ni nyina da ye bi otu asekan ye branch no main headquarters ne Kofiase Mampo adwira sepebo kro abofo macro Ken so swame and Dr. Mensa nyina obehu ye ho from 0504 842 957 0504 842 957 ne yakoya nima ne sa Trinity of Arc Limited Company obehu yen ewo Adwato Masalachi Kumasi Report Junction Saso na Kasua New Market Fidelity Bank first floor ho Trinity of Arc ye de wutu kwan we are nurse ni we are midwife we are lab technician we are health worker over so kwatna Canada na UK ye wo Canadian review programmer ye do ko Canada 1 year uko school no one how Canadian delivery system here adwuma utumi ya adwuma wo hospital bia we dey sonko we a footballer open sports visa there to crime open so your masters we your degree and now your bachelor's diploma NAB bia and one say we dey accordant Trinity of Arc Company Limited we are a reputable company need to crime Romania our hardware factory workers we are mechanic fitter ni plumber we are forklift operator or your office assistant, construction workers, cleaners, tilers. Munina Romania no ewo. Your number no time nefa 0205 572-076 0205-572-076 and 0531 644-217 0531 644-217. Dimpa Natural Health, stomach ulcer last stop. Dr. Dimpa Sibra, Dr. Swenya peptic, gastric, deodorant, get acid reflux, H. pylori, moana dunum, ama ohunam, ohututu, wanisu brew, okoko shisel, udidia enyam, ne bofa obo, oha no akoma, ebo peri, wanisu brew, uda enna, when no se. Also no na kind of hono can for any dimpa second floor Wallace Towers the chem so mention kwano so sa na oba ye boawo ye di local and foreign natural herbal products ye chuma near the machines as you so ye bet say we ni ha wo ye de dro ni kawa wo da obeda wo yam kro no nyina so beko wo didi akama kama for doctor 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 and 0245 118 434. Leicester Ghana Limited. Washing powder the Noane Yazo. A Basawo Paul Sia. And Noane Yaz toothpaste. A Heba. Se Obao Boonsa. Besomnya Yaz sanitary pad. Aqualano. Obuninsa. Why bibia kama obu ane de heavy flow obu ane de light obu ane de normal ye woni nyina sanitary pad wo ho ye wo panty liners abesre oba papa wodi siesie ho de to panty bu kama ena ye wo baby diapers ankwala no ba omunya nappy rash baby wipes ahodo nso so wo ho ye for ni kire dumai otum for statue ni nche ho no ma Fred, Mr. Mankwa now suffer 0501 390 337 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338. Mami Abe, I sickle cell fee, Unyako round my Obano sickle cell ne co, extra nabe triao, co na ye medrune nane. Abofrano e honman eni so otwa ne ho sa afedie doctors say anan nufo no say wanya epilepsy etwa da bi entimi ni se mba akora ne da ache be basa koko na adokro wo obu nsa ne 10th Adea channel nam 25th menstrual disorders wakote yade syphilis na o prostate so enya dwuma o jonso anebia kam o jonso tentem sa de bia ayase ayetan we nyina no ma me abase kan o bra apatrapa junction ye ben pa na we ya tano so apatrapa new site e hope and ye wo your number is 0506 460208 0506 460208 na 0243 345392 0243 345392 Fuzeni
Omanhene
what you ni ana say say NDC de muni bibia ma Ghana ntimu nkoda o
hye no space asa na be ye o
tala hu no
because ade na nia bre no say ye wie no on say ne re fi no say obi na si ye no ba be wie
oh say kuma hu na kuma hu
that is how amnesia works ade ni si ho pa so hu wonam kejetia nim so na konzo hu se kejetia bucket bi si ho
kuma hu na mo lay foundation am peja bi about 40%.
What's 40%? Kuma over 60% pina be ka kire
kuma hu was
e be crash omo jesi o Omanhene me man be di time
Omanhene no ma ansa no ono ani se nya sa na
no afari NDC ne shas
o di Omanhene
NDC se we are there na e ground floor but for me it was 85%. I know NDC
when it comes to infrastructure ono anim se omo men won kana no ntum omo kan ho kra the whole of 8 years muko 8 years afena niabre eni ebesi hospital kakraka within just 3 years health centers in Kwamisi 4 just such a from place in Kwajeko including nurses quarters within just 3 years 8 years afena I say my asase menya asase amisi hospital adukra wunwie you just say na baba be wi ama Omanhene, are you saying say unti Ghana hana PDS buy PDS when na born no any vice president why now it is a vice president ben now ti Ghana say in the office akwa wia mo 10,000 bag da
oh he came out say it wasn't from his office
where was it from
no he came out and
yes am mo na no ko donation Ramadan
David free in the office
free why
abrante bia no ya djuma no kra no na on second
the guy is an administrator at the office of the vice president and that's where he works aside that,
because I interviewed and came
aside that, inti sika ye printing the HDO Bank of Ghana, no one chairman of the economic management team. So what are you saying? So no sebi chrono no or the pen ebo ntidu e mo say o mo chrono. Chairman of the economic management team meeting na ho near printing sika over 70 billion Ghana cedis. And I minute here ka say ya said that choro say sika na aye bad debt mumfa nko gugu dem.
Technical loss.
Say sika no and about umia team no omo na ma omo chiche no.
Look at him.
That is what they are using. What is the word allegation? Sika na omo che.
What is your proof?
Sika na chief of staff hope sinado yes all chairman party for party office one.
How can you say a Bank of Ghana printed?
Sika no ko yi o bank ben. Da ben no call bank. Saturday you call bank. Sika no mo print mo wi akogu dem na no mo chairman no.
But that's a wild allegation.
What is the wild allegation? Minia vice president ejuma be no ya within just 1 year pickups nko over 100 pickups, brand new pickups. What if free? Onya no way. Those issues in there, Omanhene me nka ho asem. No kura hu. Ya me mu anom ko yi ne mbra. Ye bebo tape na kire mo. What am I say? But when it comes to development of Ghana, massa. You know sebe. Esi hospitals nko regional hospital club bisa mo say omo batra abanwi o ma gi asase ba ko pe omo di regional hospital da. Tesi hospital mo go jurigu ye akosi say. Oh God. And then quiet. Hospital si ho wako juregu se mi besi foforo ene ye ne. Ye the hospital e jam from na Konongo Kumawu your friend is saying Eastern region prior so at least just finish it keke. It is taking you about 7 years to say you are finishing it and you are glorifying yourself.
Thank you,
my brother.
That's what I make say. Million Obe active Kumawu as DCO. Come project no. Project I say Sikanie Adronie.
Thank you project.
Yama $29.6 million for 30 months pay. 30 months. At NDC for the casa tenten. Yama Sikai so nurse for beto abetia yanko ye hwehwemu nursing training allowance nsusan so be ne benya teacher training allowance ne nursing training allowance ye twam nsusan so be nyamra me kan ye wura region motel nunu o say omo yi nom de ma national security on banko ye hwehwemu but fast forward o say ye ba ye mfa asokra amofo na me say ono ane backyard Drobonso ano ye DC you ono onko magnificent hospital na do danko akufo ado asi no na wo jira ha oka kumo wasem enye wani wu Kumawu enye wani wu se o that might ye obeka se na we de what nche o see hospital ya Kumawu adehye Dr. Kwabrado for through your friend say Yura Mills wa jibusia to for 30 months AC hospital what did the hospital num on the omo bio o say 40%. Go and read 34%. 34% now ye oh me ba 34% now ye no and na kokore ono aduro blocks ye bubu ni nyina.
Yeah, because
and na blocks na traditional blocks now go and check the level of investment
it will depreciate.
Oh 30 months first you would the why you crowd there
on kanokre
oh mami kanokre
don't find the
problem na me ba ya ma me na me your presiding member ya ma $175 million
that's a lot
and ya ma $29.6 million
equivalent of the grant
Kumawu dia yanko ade ni
obua
30 months
obua that was in the
Brony kwasi Brony meto as your presiding member meto as your presiding member or acting as DC
he wasn't an assembly
we ni abefa so mo so me aduasa ya the hospital no mamo ya boy ensam share ya ja hospital not wa mo to hospital num drawa
yes someone
ama na wasa kufo do sa ko di lo na me dem anu si no
2 years investigation
yewura usi Ghana for he bibia obia ni wa oyepe na mom no krapa e wase yehu ni say politics ye to aba ye pemu mfaso ontimi nya Ghana ni na bia makatu a meji as DC e bia meji a mentumi mre obi na mom say obenya so mfaso nkakra ene say oba be ko school na abanse mafa ne hoka ene say oba be ko school wase me so na sen ene say obi be yare ne yase de ambulance abefa no busa say ɔno ankasa as DC dem sa policies a ɛwɔ impact na ɛyɛ proper policy busan sɛ no bi sɛ aniyama esi na no BC me sɛ nka nkora no nkɔm ntwerɛ exam
esi da
common trebi we have to fly drone
was a child every year
no common trebi
it happens every year
but they were right me ka amobi Ghana for MPP also me buy
medical
policy upon policy yenya hwekra no ba bia o drive fa no or say me more project back where they are so bottom. Me say your commission drop on so district hospital now. May invite one more.
Ya ma usia no mokumo ukra say enya. Ya ma usia no mokumo.
On November 30, 2008. Wow, offer on Mampeni John Ajekum Kofo. 30 million euros.
Unsuro nyame.
And Professor John Okoje 175 million. Yeah, Dr. Kwabrado for Busase Kumawu water project. Adea John Mahama. Odea ye Kumawu man and nunti. And now who
commissioned the water for you?
Young commission. Kumawu water project. Young commission.
You see your life.
Young commission.
Young commission. Mami for Musia.
Oh, Bani
Abu Dhabi. I crado. So they full time over. You better also chill out with Kawasem. God bless you. Stay blessed.
5G.